Hello guys and welcome to the ultimate beginner guide to setting up your GoHighLevel account. If you're a marketing agency, a consultant, or a small business owner, GoHighLevel is designed to be the only software you will ever need. But before you can build websites and manage clients or launch powerful automations, you need a solid foundation. First thing is first guys, you're gonna go to the basically GoHighLevel.com website, which is this one in here. The first thing that I want to do is I want you to make use of the 14-day free trial, okay? In this little button that you have in here. You're gonna be asked for some basic information such as your company name, your full name, and your email address and phone number. And then I just want you to click on go to step 2. Then you're gonna have to choose a plan, okay? GoHighLevel has a few core options. You have first of all the starter plan, and this is great if you are a solopreneur or just managing your own business. You also have your unlimited agency plan, which is the most popular for growing agency, and this is going to allow you to create unlimited sub accounts for all of your clients. I strongly recommend you to try this one here, especially if you are an agency. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to, have as many integrations and have as many clients as with this one. Finally, you also have your agency pro plan. This is basically very good if you're a software as a service company. This is going to allow you to sell your own software, okay? That is going to be masked, it's basically GoHighLevel, but it's going to be masked as your own software. So this is the main dashboard and this is how it looks like. Before we do anything else, we need to connect two critical pieces of infrastructure. First of all, your phone system. This is what's going to allow you to send different texts, make calls, and use all of the high-level communication systems. I just want you to navigate to the settings section in here and just go to the agency settings menu in here. GoHighLevel has its own system, which is called LC Phone, which is easy, but you can also connect a third-party provider like Twilio, okay? So you can just click in here and start connecting your phone. Second, we need to connect a payment gateway so you can accept payments for your services. We are in the settings section still, and I just want you to click on Stripe. There's a dedicated section to it, and just click on connect to your Stripe account. Just click in here. This is going to prompt you to log in into your Stripe account, and this is essential for invoicing clients, selling courses, or if you're using the software as a service pro plan to build your client for the software. Now let's make the platform look and feel like your own agency. I just wanted to go to company here and go to white label. Now it's basically time to upload your agency's logo by clicking in here. And you can also modify your company name and your company details and niche in the basic details section in here. This is actually important because this branding is going to appear on your client's dashboards and in communications. Next guys, you really want to set up a custom domain. So just go to the domain section in the white label menu here. This is what I use actually, as you can see in here. And what this is going to do is going to remove all of the GoHighLevel branding and it's going to give your clients a seamless professional experience when they log into the portal you have built for them. Okay, so just click on add domain. The real power of the agency unlimited plan is creating sub-accounts for your clients. Each sub-account is completely separate workspace with its own CRM, funnels, calendars, and more. I just wanted to go to the dashboard, to the main dashboard, and I want you to click on sub-accounts in here. You can now click on create sub-account, and you have different templates in here. These are basically pre-built templates for different industries, such as, the automotive, beauty and fashion, dentists, and things like that. They are complete with the funnels and automations. So just select your preferred template, or you can also start from scratch and customize it to your own needs. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. These are the first steps that you must take when creating your GoHighLevel account and when modifying or managing your agency. Thank you so much.